367. Woo! Somewhere makes the switch to Tempur-Pedic.
It's in a class of its own. It doesn't compare to anything else. You can't compare it to an innerspring mattress. There's no springs.
What makes Tempur material so unique is that it contains billions of independently movable microcells. It becomes soft where you want it and firm where you need it.
It fits the curvature of your body, but you don't sink in, and it is firm.
Tempur-Pedic is rated #1 in comfort, sleep satisfaction, and back
I can't
support.
film and do this at the same time.
Turn it off, and you're so revived and you're rejuvenated. It's just like, wow.
Tempur-Pedic beds
Get
help
it.
relieve pressure points that cause aches and pains.
It's amazing to wake up at my age and not hurt.
Proprietary Tempur material suppresses motion transfer. This means that when you get in or out of bed, you won't disturb your partner. Look how this glass of wine doesn't spill when someone jumps up and down on the bed.
That's amazing.
That's amazing.
That's not even trying to follow.
Yep.
Tempur-Pedic, the most highly recommended bed in America.
Once you sleep on it, you realize what you've been missing. You know, so you don't know what a good night's sleep is like until you actually have a good night's sleep.
Call 1-800-507-8983 for your free information kit or visit Tempur-Pedic.com. Act now and take advantage of our 90-night in-home tryout, 6-month zero-interest financing plan, 20-year limited warranty. Call 1-800-507-8983. That's 1-800-507-8983.
Get ready for some deli style.
10 weeks old.
The Subway Big Hot Pastrami Melt. Take a moment to ponder tender cuts of pastrami piled sky high atop your favorite freshly baked bread with spicy mustard, pickles, and melt delicious cheese. Okay, enough imagining how this fresh toasted number would tantalize your taste buds. It's time to actually experience the Subway Big Hot Pastrami Melt. Built by the sandwich experts the way you love. To perfection. Subway. Eat fresh.
I've been doing taxes for 25 years. I've dealt with all types of tax problems. One thing has never changed. People want to know their taxes have been done right. To help, you can get free one-on-one expert tax advice. If you have a question, just call or do an online chat with one of us. We even guarantee all TurboTax calculations are accurate. I'm Rhonda Collins, and I'm a TurboTax CPA.
Go to TurboTax.com.
Woo!
Baker's Warehouse to buy amazing items inspired by the finds at my Infinite Day. Oh my God! Wow! The American Baker's Warehouse is the honey hole of all amazing taco baby. This is definitely Baker's Paradise. The record player and the greatest piece of American history. Thirsty Death Whistle. Good item. Pick up other excellent treasures when you visit shopbakerswarehouse.com. Only in America. Very
Strong little girl.
The most American night on TV premieres Wednesday, January 11th, only on History.
Get it, Charlotte.
Bingo! Nice tails!
She's got
$3.25.
a grip on that thing.
My main concern coming into this is will this guy